Welcome back to Island Life live in Washington State. It's so nice. The weather's been really pleasant up here, yeah?
It has been. It's been beautiful, and the weather inside the conference has been just electrifying.
Yes.
Absolutely. Inside.
And really a large part of it is due to our kumu over here and our next guest, kumu Hinaleimoana Wong Kalu. And I got to tell you, kumu, that opener of Ōiwi, why you never tell us we was going to lose all of our makeup? That was so beautiful.
We just figured we'd throw together a little video.
No. Can you tell us the impetus behind it and what it took to create something so beautiful as Ōiwi?
Under our leadership, our CEO, Kuhio Lewis, it was his vision to acknowledge and call out to our fellow natives. And the word Ōiwi, as found in the mele by Kumu John Keola Lake. He penned the mele Ōiwi after a trip to Aotearoa. And it calls out to us, and we are called upon to recognize who we are and to be proud and to be resilient in all that we do.
You know, you will have a chance to see the opener, and we highly recommend that you go to the Hawaiian Council website or the YouTube page and go view it, and because you gotta watch it to understand what we're talking about, because it took a while. You guys, it wasn't shot in one place. You guys went on a huaka'i to different places. Tell us where you guys went, Kumu.
Oh my goodness, we went to Seattle, Washington. We went to Las Vegas, Nevada, San Francisco, California. There was Washington, D.C., there was Tennessee, and where else did we go? Salt Lake City, Utah, yes.
So we have Kanaka that live in all 50 states. How did you guys select those particular places?
Places that have a particular prominence with our Kanaka population, and of course, the majority of our people live here on Mokuhonu, and back home in the mainland of Kanaka, we're a minority. And so, even more so, the impetus to bring the convention here this year is to acknowledge that we see you, we hear you. Our Kanaka up here have wanted to be able to engage and to be able to share and participate. Many of them aren't necessarily able to come home, but this was our way to acknowledge our Ohana ties.
Now, just in the pre-conference breakout sessions that we've been able to attend, I'm kind of feeling the underlying themes of stay connected, know who you are, know your name, know your inoa, know who you are, and from there we can go forward. Is there anything else that our Kanaka, both at home in Hawaii and across the world, need to know?
Kupa'a ke Kanaka, hano hano ha'aheoe. When we know who we are, our identity is based off of two things. Mo'oku auhau and aina. That is our genealogy and our land. It's always common to say, oh, who are you? Who's your family? Where's your family from? And to know these things and to know even just a little bit about our culture and our people and our language is to know who we are, and we encourage people to learn more.
Yes. That seems like your guys' mission. This is amazing to bring all of Hawaii, the feeling of Hawaii as well, to Washington State. I wanted to go back to something you said. We have about a minute left, Kumu. You did say Mokuhonu, and then back home on the mainland, which is Hawaii. Please explain why you say it that way.
I say that because when one is centered with one's piko, and one says mainland, if we are proud to say we're Kanaka, and it's who we are, the Kanaka mainland is Hawaii, Pai'aino Hawaii. Our islands, there's more than just 8 islands. We have our own 9th island, Nihoa. We have many islands, Papahanaumokuakea, to reorient and reinstate our rightful perspectives and understandings as Kanaka is key.
I love that. That's beautiful. So our Hawaii is our mainland.
Yes, our Hawaii is our mainland.
And here we are in Washington, in Tulalip, and we are gathering as Kanaka from all across the continent, as well as our mainland of Hawaii, for the 2025 Native Hawaiian Convention. Kumuhina, mahalo for being with us. We appreciate you.
Mahalo. Mahalo nui a olua.
Okay, we're going to take a real quick break, and we'll be right back right here on Island Life Live.